Hi guys, before I start this video I just want to make a quick announcement regarding my channel. So as you probably noticed that I have 4 videos uploaded, not counting this one, and all of them are basically, 2 of them are tutorials and 2 of them are just overviews of Linux distros. So basically I decided that I'll be uploading a minimum of one video per week, probably Mondays and Fridays, one of those days. And also just want to notify you that I'll be making some new videos. I have some bigger, longer videos planned as of now, and I'll be working on them soon enough, so you will probably see them in a week or 2 times. They're a bit more, there's a bit more editing into them and just overall work. So yeah, something bigger is coming anyway on my channel, so if you're interested you can always subscribe now. So yeah, let's get to the video and I hope you enjoy it. Now in front of me I have Manjaro 17.0. Manjaro is based on Arch, which is completely different to what I reviewed previously, which was Linux Lite and Trisquel 8. Both of them were based on Ubuntu 16.04, so we'll be taking a look at a completely different base of GNU/Linux. And Manjaro 17.0 was released a few days ago, so this is pretty much up to date. ISO as well. You didn't even have to update anything, everything's straight away from the ISO itself. The latest thing you can get from Manjaro repositories. It's a 64-bit version. It runs on kernel 4.9 LTS, and you can change that later on, which I'll be showing. But let's first take a look at the installation process. So the installation process, as you can see, we have lots of languages to pick from. A standard location, keyboard. I like the way it shows the keyboard layout on it. Yeah, standard partitioning stuff. Your name, username to log in, stuff like that. Password. Overall, the installer looks really nice, though. I would say, compared to the previous ones that were in Manjaro, this looks pretty nice. Functionality wise, yeah, it's an installer anyway. But yeah, it's nicely themed. You can see they put the effort into it, which some distros don't. It's just really something that some other distro use and just theme it to their own needs. This one looks unique anyway. I'm not sure if it's based on something or was it created from scratch for Manjaro, but definitely looks unique anyway and definitely fits the whole design of Manjaro for sure. So here we have the welcome screen for Manjaro. Yeah, seems quite basic, to be honest. What do you have? Your documentation, readme, release info, wiki, forums, chat room, development. Yeah, basic stuff. Launch at start. Not much here. Don't really see anything. You can change the language though, so that's useful, even though if you install it in let's say in your own native language, I think that should be set automatically, so I'm not sure what's the point of that. Why would you want to switch that? But I guess maybe there is some languages that the welcome screen wasn't translated, even though if the system was. That would be quite strange anyway. Is there anything here? Yeah, just touch the bottom Manjaro screen. Get the source on GitHub. So there we have Xfce desktop, heavily themed anyway. Looks very clean, really nice wallpaper from the very start. I love when they do that. It's a big change to the previous ones, which basically introduce you with the grey background with Manjaro logo. It looked alright, but yeah, now we have some more colorful wallpaper. That's way better. So let's have a look at the applets. What do we have here? Here we have the, kind of say, the Manjaro App Center in a way. Well, it's not really App Center, it's kind of more option stuff. So yeah, just check for updates, stuff like that. Yeah, here we can actually change, sorry, wrong thing. We can actually change the kernel itself. Yeah, there we have. So it comes immediately with the 4.9 LTS installed immediately. You can actually downgrade if you want to something older if you're interested in that, and you can get the latest thing, 4.10. Yeah, I thought they're gonna introduce the snapshots of the 4.11. Seems like they didn't yet. Oh well. Yeah, you can change that so it's updated automatically then to whatever you have. It's actually a custom kernel built by Manjaro. It's not the clean Linux kernel from what I know. It's not the same one that Arch uses anyway, because they have to build themselves. They include some extra stuff. And yeah, that's that. Well, you have your networking, Wi-Fi, sound, update. Yeah, so we have an update manager and package manager. Let's go to package manager. As update is just, there'll be literally nothing in it right now. So yeah, and I really love this one. What was it called again? Yeah, pamac. Yeah, I love that. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but yeah, I truly love this. It's so much better than Synaptics. And like, a tool like that exists for Arch, which is meant to be way much harder for the Synaptics. Yes, so I honestly loved it. It tells you install packages, easy installation, remove something. So let's say I want to remove, let's just search for something. Let's say print something from printers. Samsung printer. Yeah, let's just remove this for example. I want to remove it. Commit. And it's gone basically. Done. Not much to do here. And it's great. Also, it shows you packages that are not installed. You can get them. Same way. Just apply. Go for it. It's going to download it, install it. Done. Simple. Very great tool, to be honest. I always love like the way Manjaro is complete opposite of Arch, where Arch you have to set up everything from scratch. It's difficult, configuration and everything. Manjaro is complete opposite. The installer is, as you saw before, pretty good. In a way, it's actually simpler than the Ubuntu one because it doesn't ask you for if you want to update and install the third party. That skips that step. It's not a big deal, but still, it makes things simpler in my opinion anyway. And as well as the package manager that it comes with. Well, the package manager, the interface for it, as the package manager is the same as for Arch Pacman. So yeah, it just seems easier from the scratch. Also gives you immediately the option to install the non-free driver. So if you have NVIDIA GPU in most cases, you will probably want to go immediately for that, because the open source one is awful. So yeah, we have a drop-down terminal here as well, accessible through this icon. Or we can just Control Alt T and it's going to pop up. And we can close it the same way. So now let's look at the application. Let's check out the file manager. I'm hoping for, yeah, toner, standard, Xfce, themed icons, standard stuff, terminal, Xfce terminal. It's going to pop up. There we go, yeah, more than likely. Yeah, Xfce 4 terminal, nothing new here, nothing new. Standard stuff. Web browser, I'm guessing Firefox. At least if they change anything you released. I think previously they had Firefox. Yes, so Firefox, nothing new here. Okay. How to remove software, we looked into that. Education, LibreOffice comes with LibreOffice installed. Steam, which is very handy as well. You can just press into it. It's not actually installed, it's just icon. It's going to download after you press it. Graphics, GIMP, viewer, just a standard image viewer. Internet, so we have HexChat. I use HexChat myself. I just don't understand why people include it in their distro. Most people who use HexChat know how to install it themselves in most cases. Pigeon Internet Messenger, never use it to be honest. Not sure why people include that as well. Not sure if anybody uses it. I don't. Never seen the point of it. Steam again, Thunderbird, yeah. Your mail stuff, if you need an application for that. Prefer just using the browser. Multimedia, XFburn, music player, Perl media player. I think they used to have VLC. They changed it. Yeah, looks pretty similar to GNOME player. Maybe not actually. Interesting. I think that's new now. Don't remember having that in older versions of Manjaro. Qt, yeah. Office, yeah, just LibreOffice stuff. Orange Global Time, QDP, view for PDFs. Settings, let's go to settings, let's see what we have here. I might actually just go in fully to it. So appearance, desktop, file manager, keyboard, standard stuff. Let's just go appearance. What do we have here? Yeah, standard themes, yeah, can change them. Icons, nothing more here than what we had before. Font settings. Let's go back desktop. What do we have here? I see they did some new Manjaro wallpapers. That's very nice. Yeah, it looks way better in that regard anyway. Not sure what is the point of this thing. You put animation. Yeah, I have to say. Definitely looks nicer than what it did before. Light DM as your display manager. Lock screen, session startup. Let's see, what do we have here? Startup, what? Splash. Oh, you can customize the splash? Yeah, you can customize the splash, but that's normal. Application auto start. So what do we have here starting anyway? Setting, update, notifier, screen locker, pulse audio, power manager, Manjaro, hello, Clipman. Yeah, there's nothing extra here that would slow it down your computer anyway too much. At startup session, yeah, here, yeah. So nothing there. So let's close that off. Workspaces, yep, we have it there. March power management, obviously Xfce power management. Nothing new at all. So let's have a look at that. So I think it doesn't come with the out immediately installed, if I'm correctly. Yeah, it doesn't come, so you'll have to, if you're into installing Yaourt itself and using it, I usually prefer actually using Yaourt. I just find it easier. You just have to follow the standard Origins tutorial. That's gonna work without problems. I did it before on Manjaro, no problems. So we basically have to use the Pac-Man. That's gonna work perfectly fine. Yeah, there's no updates at all, nothing. It's, as I said, it's up to date. It's literally just after installation, really. There was no updates from the start, so it's literally the latest thing, latest ISO, everything up to date. So yeah, that's that. I won't be showing too much of Pac-Man, I guess, and there isn't really point of showing that. So overall, I think it's pretty good distro. It's actually using 350 megabytes RAM on the startup. That's what I was getting. So it's not heavy. You would be expecting that from Xfce. We have here. Not much, to be honest. I expected slightly more. I mean, it's an art-based distro. You get the latest stuff. Oh jeez, I have a flash player. Jeez, didn't notice that again. Why do they include it? I don't get it at all. But sure, if people want it. Yeah, that's just my opinion, I guess. But yeah, like, you know, it's a very easy to install distro, very easy to use, literally. I mean, what I would definitely wish people recommend it more often to others, for beginners actually. Not many people do. Not sure why, even though everything works perfectly fine on it, data works really well. It's easier to use than Ubuntu, it's lighter than Ubuntu, and overall you also get the latest software packages, not like in Ubuntu, which is usually, at this point, it's outdated by a year in most cases, and as I said, there's less problems with Manjaro as it usually runs the latest kernel. So you also have the latest driver support, so your hardware will work immediately with it, in most cases anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna end at this one now. So if you liked the video, press the like button. If you dislike it, dislike the button. And if you want to see more content, just press the subscribe button, and I see you next time.